So this is the hook I use. It's a trapper hook with the wood tungsten, a little pebble, and a peg. So what I'm gonna do is just a polymer knot right there. Just a polymer knot like that, like so. Then go over that big loop. Make sure you wet your line before you tie everything together. And then just pull it straight back, and that's the polymer knot right there. And just cut your exit tag. And that's the way it's supposed to look. The Bandito bug from the Googan baits. So just get a new one. So make sure whenever you put it, just these appendages, make sure you break them off so you have more action on it. All of them, I usually break all of them. Just right in the middle. Come out. Texas rig, that's what I use pretty much. And then probably go there, and boom. And the good thing about these trapper hooks is that they keep your bait really straight, and is super weedless. Oh, got him right at the cast. It's a little one probably. Come here, buddy. Yes. And the Bandito bug. There it is, right there. We got one. It started to rain a little bit. Got one on the Bandito bug. A little bitty one in a new pond. Starting to pour down a little bit. So I'm gonna continue fishing and see if I can manage to catch another one. Hopefully. But there it is, Bandito bug. It's pouring down. So hopefully I don't get much wet. Let's see if we can catch something on the Bandito bug again. Hopefully. No. There we go. There's another bass. Oh, that feels bigger. Feels bigger. Yeah. Gonna flip this thing. Where you at, buddy? There you go. Yes. Whoa. Almost fell. Oh no. Where you at, buddy? What you doing? There it is. Sorry, buddy. You took a drop right there. I thought you were really hooked up, but no, you were just holding to the bait. But there it is. Sorry, little buddy. You're going back. There it is, another one. There it is, he's swimming away. What the hell was that? I don't think it was a turtle. That was a big wake. Big wake. Oh, there's a bite. There's a bite. There's a bite. I got it. I got it. I got it. Yes. I caught that one. I saw that wake. That's a nice bass. That's a decent bass right there, guys. That's a nice bass. Oh. Dang. No. Where you at? Oh, that's a decent bass. It's alright. salad right there, some bass salad. Darn it, that's a nice bass. Skinny though. Got another one on the Bandito, guys. That's a decent one. Right there. The Curado, he choked that trapper hook. He choked that trapper hook. Come on, little guy. There he goes. Oh, where he went? Went under the gills. Got him out, got him out. There it is, right there. Fishing in another spot. There it is, beautiful bass right there, guys. Beautiful. That's a nice bass. Oh man. Let's get this guy, release him back. Put up a good fight. I saw that I was coming from the edge over there, probably was looking for some bait. And there it was. Nice bass. On the Bandito bug. Let's get this guy released. Another beautiful dark bass. Alright, buddy. Take it easy, buddy. Yes. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I didn't expect to catch a fish in this spot, in this little body of water, in this local park. But I caught 3 bass on the Bandito bug from the Googan baits with the wood tungsten, a trapper hook on my Curado K. I was using a 20-pound Fluorocarbon from P-Line on the Ghost Ducket, and this is a 7.3 medium heavy action. So there it is right there, guys, the little Bandito bug. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Thank you.